Sing the song. Yeah. Come on, baby, shout it, tell me what it do. Y'all gotta love me, though. I swear to God. Last year, let's smoke some kills. Sip a little absolute. Say what you know about shorty. Just me and you, yeah.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy D Double back at you with another video. This time we are going to check out Airplane Part 2 from J-Hope. Everybody said you like this, well, you gotta check out Part 2. It go hard. They got extra people on it, and it's just a whole vibe. So we here for that. So we're gonna go ahead and check out Airplane Part 2 and see what they doing. Because I mean, J-Hope, I mess with J-Hope. I mess with J-Hope the long way, because his songs just got that club feel that makes you just want to get up and dance, and which makes sense because he's one of the main dancers off the whole group. So with that being said, let's go ahead and check this out. But first, go ahead and that like and subscribe button. All right, let's get it. So first off, this is a whole different type of vibe going on here. I mean, we got piano, jazzy sound to it, so it's different. Okay. Is that somebody behind RM singing what he's saying, which almost sounds like auto-tune, but is not? And I think someone has made a comment before that said something along the lines of, like, somebody said use some auto-tune, and then RM said we don't need to use auto-tune because we got Jimin. So is Jimin behind RM saying it in a super high falsetto? Let me know. I'm tripping because I ain't heard no J-Hope yet. I mean, I thought this was J-Hope's song with the help, but this is everybody, and we ain't even got no J-Hope yet. Woo, let's go. Here we go. Now I'm ready. Let's go.
me 그런 법은 fake 너희 몰라 baby 2년 동안의 빈 값을 멀리 지만 훨씬 많대요 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 위에 포인트로 선물할게 Love Elton Mon 신경은 다 off 누구든지 뭐라던 그저 비서 first를 지키면 만나를 볼게 지금 내 자리에 맞춰 I don't know I don't know I don't know I don't know 그래 멈추는 법도 I don't know I don't know I don't know I don't know 그래 좁히는 법도 I don't know I don't know I don't know I don't know 실패하는 법도 I don't know I don't know I don't know I don't know TV 나와서 하는 귀여운 본자랑들은 fade 여권은 다른 사직들 미디어의 혜택은 되려 넌 내가 바랐지 가가가가 야 셀럽 노래는 너네가 도전 우린 여전
Hey, hey, you're better at playing celebrities. We're still the same as we were then. Yeah, that's the media for you, though. They'll twist some things around just to make you look bad, just to get the story. Whether it happened or not, they'll twist it to get the story. And that's why I don't like the media. I really don't like the media. The news, the magazines, nah. Because all they do is twist things to make their story try to stick out, whether it's true or not. And that's bogus. But let's get it. And then J-Hope, I think that was the same verse he did in Airplane Part 1. Talking about the clouds and his frequent flyer miles type thing and all that. I mean, that sounds, I remember it being something along those lines.
여권은 다른 사직들 미디어의 혜택은 되려 넌 내가 바랐지 가가가가 야 셀럽 노래는 너네가 도전 우린 여전히 그때와 똑같아 We're going from Mexico City London to Paris 우리가 가는 그곳이 I'll be the power We're going from the county town Hong Kong to Brazil 이 세계 어디서나 도는 노래하네 El Mariachi El Mariachi El Mariachi El Mariachi
Okay, that was a completely different vibe than I thought we was gonna get with it, but it was still a good one. Had that Latin feel. Talking about El Mariachi, so I'm guessing they was trying to get a little Mexican vibe on there. Whew, that was good though. That was good. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be like that. I was expecting it to be another get up out your seat and start joking and all that. But it was still good. But yeah, give me some more songs to do. And my apologies, I didn't get to do a BTS yesterday. When I tried to do all my videos the other day for the next couple days, I had a midnight doorbell ring of my neighbor's kid. And yeah, so I had to go take care of some other stuff outside the house. Wasn't pretty, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, we back up on it. Got you this quick J-Hope one, and then I am going to attempt to do it's like a quick, it's not even quick, I ain't even gonna lie, it was a long one, but it was a summary to get me get my direction going towards the not the Marvel universe, the BTS universe, so that I could see, because y'all keep saying, yeah, you don't quite get it because it's part of the BTS universe and all that. So now that's where I'm going next. I was trying to hit you with the brand new tune thing, but I guess that's a comic and it's not not videos. And I don't want to do story time and sit here and read it to you guys. I'm sure there's some type of copyright on that of me sitting here reading you the story. So not gonna do that. But we're definitely gonna try to dive into the BTS universe next and see what the story is, so that I'm not out of the loop. Like I said, I'm trying to be in the loop. I don't want to be not out of the loop no more. So we're gonna hit you with that. Probably the next BTS video will be that. So, but anyway, let me know some more stuff that y'all want to see, whether it's music, more background, behind the scenes BTS stuff, you know, things like that. Let me know what else you guys want to see. But I'm still gonna keep dropping these BTS tracks, especially ones that's got the whole crew. Because again, we done 2 rounds of solo. Now we got to get into the group itself. But anyway, hopefully you guys hit that like and subscribe button, join the double team, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.